So it's all come down to this. Beat the Democratic Republic of Congo and the Reggae Boyz qualify for the World Cup. High pressure intercontinental playoff in Guadalajara, Mexico. The Democratic Republic of Congo is certainly a bigger team and better team than New Caledonia, a bigger and better team than Jamaica. So this time, the Reggae Boyz are the underdogs. But that means most people expect us to lose. So the boys should be under less pressure. And this is not a multiple game league. It's one game, 90 minutes of football, winner takes all. That gives Jamaica a fighting chance. And yes, they were not impressive against New Caledonia, but they won. And guess what? Winning is a habit. And yo, we've had a slew of underperforming star players who owe Jamaica a good game. So it's time now for them to deliver big performances from our big players. Time to cash in.